Snake. A snake hissing. This is definitely a primal feeling. Whoa, shit. That was gonna jump. Wow. You can see how its head looks kind of triangular, which is quite intimidating, to be honest. Because vipers have triangular heads, and so what these guys do is that they sort of try and resemble a viper when they're intimidated. So they simply make their head appear like triangle, but this is just to intimidate. They're not actually venomous, but their heads will become triangular in order to intimidate. So yeah. Let me try and get a grab of his head. So I got a grab of him by the head. It's a non-venomous species. But its coloration can be falsifying, because it does look like a viper. And also its head kind of looks triangular. Anyway, I'll just let this guy go.